G'day, Sam here, Horsley Wholesale, showing our new quick roll wire winder. On the farm, we found it necessary to roll up old hinge joint, pull out old star posts. We used to do it manually. It was unsafe, not a very fun job to do, and the rolls were huge. So we've come up with this machine. Basically the wire just slips inside here, hydraulic motor rolls it up, off you go, and the hydraulic cylinder there grabs the star posts, pulls them out as you go. It runs on very little oil, so the smallest of the machine will run it. Making the grabs here for the hinge joint was rather difficult. With the Bobcat, you've got plenty of visibility. The front of a tractor, you lose that visibility, so there's a good chance you'll over tighten the wire or run off over the drums. So the way we've made that come off at the end of the day is a lot easier for the operator. We've also made it work off your pallet tines or hay fork tines. Everyone has either. We can put Euro hitch, Bobcat hitch on them, whatever people want. We've just had this girl freshly painted, but we've tested it a fair bit, and she's pulled out 1,000 posts and done over a K of wire. So yeah, so that's her. Next video you'll see her working, and we'll go from there. Cheers, thanks. G'day, Sam here. We've picked up all the posts from this line, so there's about 200 metres. We've pulled all them out, so we're now to start to pick up the wire. We just simply flick the wire inside the machine there, nothing too technical, it just picks up. What we've got here is 790/30 hinge joint, 2 barb wires, there's a couple of salvage wires there, and a W strap dropper. She'll pick the whole lot up in one hit, so she'll go along. We are going to make an adapter for the machine if you want to cut the barbs or plain wire free. Roll the barb up to reuse it. This barb could actually be reused if you wanted to, but that's down the line. Alright, well I'll hop on the machine now and fire up and pick this up.